Hello family, you are warmly welcome to my channel. If today is your first time tuning into my channel and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like, share and leave your comment down below. Yes, your comments are very important to me. If you have any question, kindly drop it under the comment section and I will be attending to each and every question and humbly answer you. As usual, here I teach about herbs. I give you the full details of herbs. That is how you can use herbs to solve your problem, both physical and spiritual. How you can use herbs to deal with any sort of issue that you are in. How you can use herbs to make your heart desire, visible. How you can use herbs to make your wish come true. How you can use herbs to get what you want is what I teach here. If today happens to be your first time and you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor by subscribing to the channel and join the family. Then turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Today our teaching is about how to attract favor with white gentlefoil leaf. White gentlefoil leaf is super powerful when it comes to herbs. As far as herbs are concerned, it is great. It works wonders. And today we are going to use it to attract favor into our life. But first of all, let me clear the airwaves. My teachings is not based on any religion. So if you are a Christian, you can do it. If you are a Muslim, you can participate in it. If you are a Hindu, you can practice it. If you are a Buddha, you can also do it. So we have no restriction on my teachings. Everybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Today, as I have already told you that today's topic is how to attract favor with white gentlefoil. I don't know the status of your life, but one thing I know for sure is that favor helps in life. Yes, if you want to go far in life, you need favor. If you want to, if you want to be rich in life, you need favor. If you want to get too much money in life, you need favor. If you need help from somebody, it is favor that does that work. So today I'm here to teach you super powerful favor remedy. Maybe you are a businessman, but your business is not improving. Or you are a businesswoman and you are not seeing any improvement in your business. Are you preparing for an interview? Then try to watch this video till the end. If you need help from somebody, then you need this remedy. If you want somebody to do your heart desire, please watch this video till the end. Or you are preparing for an interview, as I've already said, then watch this video till the end. This favor remedy works like magic. It is super great. It never fails. When you are done with this, in fact, you are going to get favor from all angles or all walls of the world. In fact, you are going to get favor from unknown source. Even unexpected people will help you. After you are done with this remedy, you will be surprised. You will be amazed at the results. It is great. The materials needed for this favor remedy are white gentlefoil leaves. This leaf, if you go to some part of Nigeria, it is called Ewe Lapa Lapa. But when you descend down to Ghana, it is called Enkran Jidua. The English name is white gentlefoil leaves. If you get the white gentlefoil leaf, then you get your black soap or Ghana soap. In Ghana, the black soap is called Alatesimina. Yes, you get that soap. Then go to the market. When you go to the market, just dash into any spiritual shop and ask them for Bintu El Sudan perfume. You ask them for that perfume, they'll give you, buy it, then come back home. When you are back home, get plenty white gentlefoil leaves and pound it with the black soap or the Ghana soap. Pound them together. When you are done pounding them together, then you mix them with the Bintu El Sudan perfume. mix it until they are uniformly mixed. Now your favor soap is almost ready. This is what you are going to do. Put them all into, just get all the favor soap that you have into a bowl or a container. Any container will do. You can use any container. Then pray over it. Pray over it about favor. Pray over it. So let your prayer topic be favor. Pray over it about favor. If you want to get favor, pray over it like, I want to get favor after bathing this soap. Let favor flaunt me. Let favor take the lead of my life. Let favor, be over me. Let favor be upon me. Let me experience favor overload. But pray over it. Your worries. You know how you want the soap or the remedy to work for you. So pray over it according to how you want the remedy to work for you. When you are done playing over it, please, just keep it for 24 hours. 1 day, keep it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you start taking your bath with the soap every morning. When you are going for an interview, just take your bath with the soap, then go for the interview. You are going to gain admission, or you are going to be employed in that work. You are going to get that job. When you are a businessman and you are going to your business, or you are going on to your business or your business place, in fact, take your bath with it, then go and see wonders following you, and see testimony following you, see great things in front of you. In fact, if you also sell, you sell products and you need people to buy it, you need market, then take your bath with the soap and go to the market. You are going to see that indeed there is power in nature. By the grace of God, you are going to get market. You are going to do much sales that day. But it works. It's no joke. Try it out and see. Just try it out and see. It won't cost you much, so try it out and see, and come here and give your testimony. This is super powerful favor soap. It is super powerful favor soap that you can do it at home. Do it yourself and experience the good vibes that the nature have for us. Yes, but it is great. Try it out and come here and give your testimony. My brother, my sister, my mother, my father, try it out. I'm done. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like, share the video for the video to go far. Share the video for the video to reach more people, and share the video for the video to go viral. Yes, tell a friend to come to this channel and let them subscribe to join the family, so that anytime I post in something, they will get notification on their gadget. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time in my next video.